Every great American story starts with a risk. Trackhouse MotoGP began with one, stepping onto the world's fastest stage and choosing to disrupt instead of waiting our turn. Risk isn't a slogan for us. It's how we operate in the garage, on the grid, and every lap. Raul Fernandez, aggressive, explosive, uncompromising. He rides to change races. Ogura, precise, composed, relentless, a quiet force with a sharp edge when it matters most. Trackhouse enters the 2026 season ready and with the confidence to invite the world to witness history in motion.